Hey guys, today we have a Lenovo Ideapad z710, also known as 20250. We have a really good video of this laptop being repaired by us from like a year ago, and some people put dislikes on that because those videos come without the sound, and the reason the videos come without the sound because um, well, because it's too noisy in here usually. So what we fix is we fix this connector right here. As you can see, it's broken. So we're gonna take the system apart and replace that connector. The total for that is $100. Let me show you how it's done. So let me change the angle. Again, if you can't see something in this video, just look at our other videos for this model, and you will be able to see. Alright. Alrighty. Now, here. It's supposed to be coming out this way. Alright. Now you want to unscrew the screws here. So let's begin. You probably don't need to take the hard drive out. There might be a screw under that, but hold on 1 second. Don't take the hard drive out yet. Just yet. So alrighty. I'm not sure if you have to take the fan off. So here. Alright. Well, let me just take the fan off just in case. Alright. I think you have to take the fan off. You know what, I'm gonna take the hard drive out just in case as well. Hey, it doesn't seem like you need to remove the hard drive because there is no screws under it. So let's flip it over. There might be something under the keyboard. So the keyboard remove like that. And here you have to mark which way is up. Okay. Okay. Remove the keyboard, and here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. And guys, if you like the video, leave a like. If the video has been helpful in any way. Okay. So here we wanna take this out, take this out, take this out, and we will see in a second if you want to take anything else. But that's all there is. So pull out the top cover, and the problem is one of the screws here is damaged. Alright, so okay. Set that aside, set that aside, set this aside. Okay, we got lots of. Okay, so remove all the plastic stuff from the laptop. Remove plastic. Alright, so here we have the jack. Okay, so we just guide it through like that, like that, like that, and like that. Alright, here's the problem basically, you see? It's all falling apart. So first I need to make a note which cable goes where. And the note is simple. Blacks are the minuses, reds are the pluses, and blue is the center pin. Alright? Like that. Let me go find the replacement jack. This is our full-time job, so we got jacks for every single system in stock. Here, this is how it's supposed to look like, brand new one, and that's how it looks like right now. So let me fire up the soldering iron, desolder all that. But before I'm gonna do any desoldering, I need to remove the heat shrink from the top. And the way we do it is just cut the heat shrink off. Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm cutting the solder, I mean, right where the solder is at. I'm not cutting the cables themselves, because we don't want to shorten the cable in any way. So here. Alright, so let's put it into one of those guys, like that. Let me secure it in place. The thing is, the cable should go right into that hole on the jack to make a better connection. If it doesn't go into the hole, it's going to be a crazy soldering job. So. Right, my middle cable didn't solder very well, so I have to strip it one more time and solder it one more time, like that. Alrighty. Well, it seems alright, but I just want to do it one more time. Seems like the soldering job is good enough. I mean, nobody really solders jacks better than us, because we've been doing it for the last 16 years. So that's the new jack. That's the soldering points in the back. And yeah, it's all set. So let's see. Okay. Here we drop it in here. Put the cables through. For some reason it falls on its rear end. Alright, so we need to put it upside down. Alright, so the jack installs upside down, not top down. Alright. Like that. Like that, like that. Like that. So yeah, definitely you have to unscrew the fan. Okay. Looks wonderful. Sits very well. What I want to do, looks really good. What I want to do, I want to add some glue right here and right there, because the front rail is missing on this side. Alright. Oh, hold on, maybe it's not missing, maybe it's on the top. Well, no, the front rail is missing, so when you pull it out, it's always going to get slightly pulled out, so I need to add some little glue. Alright, so the little problem is that the client didn't send the power supply for the system, and I have to go look for the power supply. I'm sure it's gonna work fine, but let me go see if I have something that would power this thing up. Right, guys, if you like the video, leave a like. And if you don't want to do it yourself, if you want to send it to us, it's $100 total. Let's see if this adapter works exactly the way it should. Well, I hope I'm gonna be able to do something there. Okay. Yeah, the adapter is not compatible. Probably. Have to go look for another adapter. Never once this adapter powered up anything. Yeah, well, thing is, maybe it's not enough voltage here. Yeah, it needs 20 volts, 4.5 amps. This is not even close to it. I will have to wait for another system with Lenovo adapter like that to test it out. So for right now, I'm just gonna turn off the video. Thanks so much for watching. But it should work fine. I mean, I don't see a reason why it wouldn't be working fine. Thank you. Have a good day.